painted our head here. We've given it 2 coats of flesh colored. We kind of sprayed it a little bit with a little red to offset that color in that. So now we're going to go to hand painting, and we'll just be using these acrylic paints for whatever we want to highlight on this. We'll be painting the teeth here, highlight these eye slits here with black, do the eyebrows, put some color inside the ears there. We'll do the inside of the mouth here and the lip. We'll have to. We're going to highlight these fingernails and highlight our grooves in here for our hands. So we'll just highlight it now by hand painting everything. These brushes, like I say, work good if you want to if you need to sprinkle. We're going to sprinkle a little brown on it to give it like age spots with them. We can use this for put a little pink in the ears. So we'll get it painted up, and once we get done, we'll be back with our next step. Thanks for watching.